Worshipful Brother Marshall, conduct Brother Justin Larson to the altar for installation as one of the stewards of this lodge. Brother, you are appointed one of the stewards of this lodge, and I now invest you with the jewel of your office and place in your hands the white rod, which you will bear in performance of your official duties. It is your duty to assist the deacons and other officers in the discharge of their duties, and to see that the tables are properly furnished at refreshment, and that every brother is suitably provided for. It is also your duty to aid in the introduction of candidates, and as from you the first impression of your institution is received by them, you should be particularly careful, by the seriousness of your deportment, to properly prepare them for the dignified and important ceremonies of initiation. Your regular and early attendance will afford the best proof of your zeal and attachment to this lodge. Worshipful Brother Marshall, conduct Jason Walker to the altar for installation. Worshipful Brother Jason Walker for installation as Marshal of this lodge. My brother, you are appointed Marshal of this lodge. I invest you with this baton. As the appropriate badge of your office. It is your duty to form and conduct processions of the lodge on all public occasions, and to attend to such other interests in the practice of your rights as the Master shall direct. Conduct Rick Johnson to the altar for installation as Tyler of this lodge. My brother, you have been appointed Tyler of this lodge, and I now invest you with the jewel and the instrument of your office. As the sword is placed in your hands, as the hands of the Tyler, to enable him effectually to guard against the approach of Collins and eavesdroppers, and suffer none to pass or repass, but such as are duly qualified, so that it should admonish you to set guard over our thoughts, a watch at our lips, and post a sentinel over our actions, thereby preventing every unworthy thought, word, or deed, and preserving consciences void of offense toward God and toward man. Your early and regular attendance upon the communication of the lodge is necessary and expected, and I rely upon you to carefully meet this requirement.